Hello everyone and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, my name is Blessing and you are welcome to this channel. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. In today's class, we'll be learning how to make a placket, and if this sounds like what you want to learn, stay tuned to the end and watch to the end. Let's go. So guys, these are the materials I will be working with for this tutorial. You can see there are two fabric here. Here is my collar stay. I've already cut it out. I've already cut all this pattern out, but I will measure them so that you'll be able to know the measurement here. For here, I mark 1.25 here by the width. Then for the length, I come down by 10 inches. Here is a 10 inches for the length. Okay, the 10 inches, you can see that. So now for this other one, this is the under blanket. For this, I mark 3 inches here, but you can go ahead to mark 2.5 inches wide. And for the length, I come down by 6 inches, which is exactly the length I will be using for the main dress that I'm working with. For this other one here, the wideness is 5.5 inches. Then for the length, I come down by 13.5 inches. Okay, you can come down by 16 if you want. So these are the measurements. So now the next thing I'll be doing is to come in from this layout by 0.75. okay, then after marking my 0.75, I will place my collar stain on it like this, away from this 0.75. You can see that this is me trying to cross check what I am doing, if my measurement is intact. So guys, that is it. Now I'll take it to my ironing table and press it with hot iron. So guys, I've done pressing my collar stain on the main fabric, so you can see that they are together now. So now the next thing I will be doing is just to fold this in like this and fold it again to the actual level of this collar stay. Okay, that's 1.025. I will press it with iron. Now I've already pressed that with iron. You can see how smoothly it is. So now you can see that it's well ironed and it's well smooth. So now the next thing I'll be doing, I will just from this starting point here where I folded this blanket, where I folded this fabric, I will come in by 1 inches from the top down to this part here. I'll just measure it from the up to the down part. Okay, I just measure 1 inches like so, from starting from this leg here. Then after that, I will just go ahead to rule it as a straight line like this. Okay, after that, I will go ahead to cut out the other fabric out, because we are not using that part anymore. I'll just cut it out. So after cutting, this is how it will be looking like. Then I will fold it upward like this, then take it to my ironing table and press it with hot iron so that it will relax well. So guys, I've done that. I've ironed it. Okay, so now the next thing I'll be doing is just open that part up like this, then fold it inside like this. After folding, then what I will do here is that for the slit, the main dress that I'm using, for the slit length or the opening length, how will I call it, is 6 inches. There I will mark my 6 inches there. Okay, let me just bring the main dress so that we will understand more better. So now this is the dress I will be using for this blanket. So you can see the slit that is there. I will measure it from there down to where it stops, and it gives me 6 inches. So I will use that 6 inches to mark. I will use the 6 inches here now to mark what I will be cutting for the blankets, because they must correspond together when you want to attach it. So I will mark exactly that 6 inches there. Okay, I will mark exactly 6 inches. So after marking the main fabric, I will just use it to cut out this part here, which is 6 inches. Okay, so I will mark my 6 inches like this after marking. So now the next thing is to mark what I have in this down part like this. Then I will divide it into two. Okay, to get the midpoint of it. Then I will mark it like this. After marking, I will extend it down. Okay, I will extend what I have. I measure what I have on this part here, then I divide it into two. Then I will mark it down like so. Then I will just use a straight ruler to rule it down so that it will be straight. Then I use a straight ruler to do that. So guys, this is me trying to roll it down. You can see I'm trying to roll it so that the line will be straight. Okay, so now I've ruled it out. Then what I will do here is to cut out the other parts. I'll just cut it out. Okay, just cut along the line that I drew. I just cut it like this. Then I will cut out the other parts. Just look at me carefully, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Then I will just cut it out. Okay, so now I've cut it out. So I will open the other part there and cut it. The one that is on top there, I'll cut it off like so. So now that is it. I will just go ahead to put it under. You can see. So this is how it should be looking like. Now take it to my ironing table like this. First of all, fold the down part into two. Then I will make a triangular shape at the end. Okay, I will first of all fold it in. Then I will make a triangular shape. Then I will now take it to my ironing table and press it with hot iron. Okay, I just take it to my ironing table now and do that. So guys, before I will do that, we'll just take this one aside first. Then I'll bring the under blanket. This is exactly 6 inches like I said for the length. So now what I will do here is that I will first of all, I will take it to my ironing table. First of all, fold the edge. I'll fold the edge and fold it into two like this. Then iron it. After ironing, I will fold it again. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see that I've ironed my triangular shape at the down part of this blanket. You can see that it's very neat and it's very okay. So and the other part here I've already folded. I fold it inside, then fold about half an inch on the mid side so that you could have a good sewing when you are sewing it. When you are sewing it will not be giving you an issue. So let me make an illustration here so that you will understand what we are saying. So guys, I will just place it like this. You can see that the length of the slit here is 6 inches and this may under blanket is 6 inches so that we can cover the rough edge up like this. Okay, so guys, like I said, I just open it up. Remember we folded it into two, then we iron it. Okay, so I will open it up like this. Then I will put in the rough edges in between the two these two fabric. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. You can see that the length of the slit and the under blanket, they are equal. That is the reason why I I cut exactly the length on this very one here, so that it can cover the rough edges, so that it can cover the rough edges there, so that the blacket will correspond to it. Okay, will not be, it will lap well. Okay, so now you take it to your sewing machine and sew. So guys, that is it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.